Okay, so we are learning the cup game today, and once we know how to do it, we will add the famous song from Anna Kendrick. So the first step, the first thing you want to do is get a plastic cup. I'm using this little red one, but really any plastic cup will do, as long as it's big enough for you to get a good hold on. You don't want anything too small, and you don't want anything too big either, because it can fall down pretty easily. So I'm going to use this red one because I think it's easy to see in the video. We're going to start out very, very slow and simple. The first thing you do is you go clap, clap, tap, tap, tap. Okay, so I want you to put your cup in front of you and just go clap, clap, tap, tap, tap. Now we're tapping the ground or the table 3 times. Again, clap, clap, tap, tap, tap. 2 more times. Ready? Here we go. Clap, clap, tap, tap, tap. 1 more time. Ready? Here we go. Clap, clap, tap, tap, tap. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is move our cup. So at the end of our clap, clap, tap, 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 you are going to clap your hands, grab the cup, and move it. And when you move it, I want you to put it down and make a little clicking sound, like that. Okay, so again, this is clap, grab, move. Again, clap, grab, move. Do it with me now. Ready? Clap, grab, move. Again, clap, grab, move. 1 more time. Clap, grab, move. So let's put it all together here. You ready? Clap, clap, tap, 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 clap, grab, move. Okay, can we do the whole sequence together? Ready? Here we go. Clap, clap, tap, 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 clap, grab, move. Cool, let's do it again. If you dropped your cup, don't worry. You can always pause the video, scroll back, restart. It's easy to do. Here we go. Ready? Here we go. Clap, clap, tap, 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 clap, grab, move. Again. Clap, clap, tap, 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 clap, grab, move. Again. Clap, clap, tap, 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 clap, grab, move. Last time. Clap, clap, tap, 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 clap, grab, move. Okay, that's the first part. If you can't do that really smoothly yet, you're going to want to practice that a few more times. Just pause the video, practice it until you can do it pretty smoothly. You can even speed it up as you go. Clap, clap, tap, 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 clap, grab, move. 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 So you can get faster and faster. The next part's a little tricky, so you're going to want to watch carefully. We're going to clap our hands, and then we're going to turn our right hand upside down so that our thumb is facing the ground like this. Like my thumb is the first finger that would hit the ground or the table, and my pinky is up towards the sky. Okay, and I call this move upside down. So we go clap, upside down. So my hand is upside down now, and you're going to want to look at it. Is my pinky facing the ceiling? Is my thumb facing the floor? Then you can grab your cup. Because when you lift it, the opening of the cup is what's going to be hitting your hand. Okay? So this is clap, upside down, and then you're going to do a move called the touchdown grab. Touch your hand down on the ground, and then you're going to turn it so that the bottom of the cup goes into your hand, and you're going to grab it with that hand. Okay, that's the touchdown grab. So here it is again. Clap, upside down, and then touch, down, grab. Okay, I'm going to do that a few times for you. Clap, upside down, touch, down, grab. Okay, I'll do it a couple more times. Can you do it with me? Ready? Here we go. Clap, upside down, pinky towards the sky, touch, down, grab. Okay, a couple more times. upside down, touch, down, grab. When I grab it, I'm grabbing the bottom of the cup here. So if you're doing it the right way, the bottom of the cup goes in your hand. Clap, upside down, touch, down, grab. Okay, a couple more times. Clap, upside down, touch, down, grab. Clap, upside down, touch, down, grab. Do it one more time for me. Here we go. Clap, upside down, touch, down, grab. And then you're gonna take your free hand and hit the ground and put the cup down, crossing your arms to make a cool X. Okay? So again, this is clap, upside down, touch, down, grab, down, down. And your open hand hits first and the cup hits second. So here we go again. Clap, upside down, touch, down, grab, down, down. Clap, upside down, touch, down, grab, down, down. Ooh, I went a little faster that time. Clap, upside down, touch, down, grab, down, down. If you can't reliably get your hand upside down yet, pause the video and practice just getting that move, because I know it's a weird one. Just twisting your hand over, it doesn't like to do this. So make sure that it can go clap upside down really fast with no thinking. Clap upside down. If you can't do that, then the touch down grab goes by too fast. So here we go. Clap upside down, touch, down, grab, down, down. Clap upside down, touch, down, grab, down, down. Clap upside down, touch, down, grab, down, down. I'm gonna slow this one down for you. Clap upside down, touch, down, grab, down, down. If that's still freaking your brain out, again, just push the pause button or have mom or dad push the pause button, because the next step is to put it all together. Ah! All right, if you're still with me here, I'm going to assume that you can do the first part, which is clap, clap, tap, 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 clap, grab, move, and the second part, clap upside down, touch, down, grab, down, down. Because now we're going to put it all together. So here we go. Cups in the middle. 1, 2, nice and slow. Here we go. Clap, clap, tap, 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 clap, grab, move, clap upside down, touch, down, grab, down, down. Pause the video and practice that a couple times. I am going to speed it up a little bit each time, but there will come a point where you need to pause the video and just practice a couple times or rewind and do one of the earlier parts. That's totally fine. This part's going to just speed up until it's about the speed that we need it at. You take as long as you need. That's the beauty of technology. You can go at whatever speed you want. There is no time limit for you. But we're going to speed it up a little bit. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Clap, clap, tap, 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 clap, grab, move, clap upside down, touch, down, grab, down, down. Clap, clap, tap, 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 clap, grab, move, clap upside down, touch, down, grab, down, down. Clap, clap, tap, 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 clap, grab, move, clap upside down, touch, down, grab, down, down. Clap, clap, tap, 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 clap, grab, move, clap upside down, touch, down, grab, down, down. Clap, clap, tap, 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 clap, grab, move, clap upside down, touch, down, grab, down, down. I got my ticket for the long way round. I got the music for the way, and I sure would like some sweet company. And I'm leaving tomorrow. What do you say? When I'm gone, when I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. I can't remember it. You're gonna miss me you're gonna miss me by my hair. You're gonna miss me everywhere. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. I will put together a video of me doing the whole thing and not messing up. But that's the instructional video right there. Once you're really good at the cup part, and I mean really good at the cup part, that's when you can start putting the song to it. It might take you a couple days, and again, that's totally fine. I would love to see your videos of any part of it that you can do, because I love seeing your guys' faces. I love seeing what you guys are doing, and I'm just happy if it can give you something fun to do. So make a video, send it to me, text it to me. But I love you guys so much, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Bye!